Lee from Cranbourne sent me a lovely email in saying, Richo, you only cook with meat. Is there anything else you can do? Well, Lee, this is a great little muffin that I cook for the kids sometimes. Now, I've got a cup and a half of self-raising flour. Into the bowl it goes. I've got some chives and some spring onions that have been finely chopped. And I've got some red capsicum that have been diced up as well. Now, I've got zucchini. What I've done is given it a grate on a cheese grater and given it a bit of a squeeze to get some of the juices out. I've also got some baking powder here, about a teaspoon of that goes straight in. And I've got 2 eggs, free-range eggs of course, that have been lightly beaten. In they go. And I need about half a cup of milk, and I reckon I can eyeball this one. There we go. Now, to make it interesting and flavoursome, you need some cheese, and I've got about 2 cups of grated cheese here. Now, all I have to do, Lee, is just mix this around nice and gently till it's all combined, and then I'm going to pop it into my pre-greased muffin tins, and this will be cooked in no time. Now, I've let these cool down just a little bit so I can pop them out. Have a look at this. I'll just break that open for you. Lee, look at that. Zucchini, capsicum, chives, lots of cheese, which gives it great flavour. Who would have thought that I could actually cook something that didn't have meat in it? That's delicious.